Hey everyone, Mr. Shah here with another video for you, showing you how to render your files in HD using Camtasia Studio 6. This may work with the earlier versions of Camtasia, however, it probably will actually, so do try it out. If it's like Camtasia 1, then probably not, but I'm mumbling and let's begin with the tutorial. So, first of all, you need to record your screen. As you may know, Camtasia Studio is a screen recording program and that's what it specializes in. And of course you need to create your footage, so record the screen. You do this by going to record the screen right there in the task list, typically on the left of the screen. Then click that and a little box like this will come up. It's quite important that you select full screen settings and then you press record. Do your thing whilst the screen is being recorded by Camtasia, so like do whatever you want to do, and once that's done, a box like this will appear. I suggest you go to save and you save the file as a camrec file, which is basically CAMREC file, and that is a file dedicated to Camtasia Studio and it allows you to edit it and so on and so forth, and it's also saved on your computer. Of course, there's also a delete and edit and a produce option, and you can always go to edit, but it won't save a file of your video, I don't think, and produce basically does the same thing. So as you can see there, select the camrec file and not the AVI file. The AVI file allows you to, it's not made in AVI to be specific. It gives you a bigger option of videos, which I'll show you when I'm rendering the file. So once you save it as a or let's say camrec file, you can always edit the video by just dragging it into the editing bar right there, so it will appear as a video. I haven't done that. As it will appear as the video, and of course you can do your edits there. It's quite a short video I made there to show as an example. Of course you can add a little transitions and so on, and of course do all the edit clips right there, like the callouts, transitions, captions, flash quiz and surveys, audio enhancements, and the famous zoom and pan. After you've done that, you go to file and produce video as. This is where you set all your finish video settings. If you've done it in full screen, this is where you can play around with it properly. I recommend that you put it as the custom production settings because this keeps the full quality of the video. Some people do it in HD right there. That basically crops your video and also loses the quality, the crisp, sharp quality which Camtasia Studio recorded it in. So keep the dimensions right there. My screen resolution happens to be 1280 by 800, but some people have it as 1280 by 720 anyway, so it doesn't really matter. YouTube compresses the video to fit into the 1280 by 720 preset, so it doesn't really matter, just as long as your video isn't like really big or too small, because it just won't come expanded. It can be big but it can't be small. That's basically what I'm trying to say, so keep it as the custom production. Of course, I recommend, and so does Camtasia, that you set it in MP3 format right there. Keeps a small file size and also great quality. And then you press next. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you happen to be planning to edit this video later on with the edits already done in Camtasia Studio, which is quite odd, but if you want to do it, and you are planning to use Sony Vegas, I found that there are capability issues, so just press it, so just select WMV instead. It'll keep the same video format and basically you can edit it instead, and of course render it in Sony Vegas. Then press next, and this doesn't really matter what you put in here, that's just how you view the video. It doesn't affect the video one bit. Then press next again, nothing to change, only to change the title right there, so let's put it as test, and of course finish. Now the video is being rendered and it should be rendering in HD, and of course you can upload it to YouTube, and after a while you see the HD link after it's uploaded. And If not, just ask me for details and I should try and help you. Well, I will try and help you. So thanks again for watching. This has been Mr. Shell, and check out my other videos, of course.